The seat belt. Adjust your seat according to your body. Okay. So my first test is applied pressure test to check the leak from any hoses, air leak. Okay. For that, now I will start the engine. Build the maximum pressure, no more than 140 psi. Okay. And RPM no more than 1500. Okay. Make sure ये थोड़ा प्रेशर पहले ही 100 बनया होया ना एक दो बारी लूज कर लो. Then sir I will now losing the air, so I will rebuild again front of you. Okay, it's ready. It's below 90. It's ready now. First safety start. Check your brakes. It's neutral. Initial key on. Stop the engine. Slowly release the clutch. Build a maximum pressure no more than 140 psi and RPM no more than 50. My corner cut out at 122 psi. No more air go in the air tank. Air tanks are full. Okay. Now put the transmission in low gauge. Stop the engine. Put the initial key on. Make sure करो ट्रक का stop करो. ब्रेक से पैर नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay. Okay. नहीं तो सी टाइम pressure upset कर दोगे. Okay. Initial key on. Release the brakes one by one. Wait for your needle reset. Okay. Now I will holding my brake pad for 1 minute, sir. So I should not lose more than 4 psi because this is a combination vehicle, 3 for tractor, 1 for trailer. Okay. Hold your brake and wait for the needle reset. My needle reset again at 91 psi. My 1 minute is start now, sir. Okay. टाइमर स्टार्ट हो गया. योर हैंड ऑन स्टीयरिंग. ओके. ते ध्यान थोड़ा नीडल एंड वॉच बाहर नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके फॉर 1 मिनट. सो यहाँ पर 1 मिनट ही ओवर, अदरवाइज थोड़ी वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जानी है. सर माई 1 मिनट ही ओवर, सर. माई नीडल स्टिल एट 91 psi. सो इसमें I should not lose more than 4 psi. My applied pressure test is working properly. Okay. Sir, my next test is low air alarm test. Range between 55 to 75 psi. 55 to 75 psi. Now I will pumping my brake powder to losing the air. Wait and watch. Low alarm came out automatically, but no lower than 55. Okay. Yeah. No lower than 55. Okay. Pumping the brake. Okay. Slowly. Brake pump करनी है. सुई हिलोगी, low होगी. Wait for reset. Okay. Pump again. Wait for needle reset. Okay. Pump again. My low alarm came at 70 psi. It means my low alarm working properly. Now my next test is emergency brake pop out test. Range between 20 to 45 psi. Again, I will pumping my brake pedal to losing the air. Make sure no lower than 20 psi. Okay. ओके ये मेरा ट्रक है मुझे पता है ਇਹਦਾ 30 ਦੇ ਨੀਅਰ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਹੋਊਗੀ ओके तो इसलिए मैं थोड़ा फास्ट कर रहा तो ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਗਏ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਣਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਲੋ ਅਲਾਰਮ ਹੁੰਦਾ 70 71 68 ਤੇ ਲੋ ਅਲਾਰਮ ਹੋਣਾ ਤੇ ਇਮਰਜੈਂਸੀ ਪੌਪ ਆਊਟ ਐਟ 30 31 32 My emergency brake pop out at 30 psi. It means my emergency brake pop out working properly. Okay, sir. My next test is all brakes check. For that, I will again start my engine and build the maximum pressure for all brake check: tractor brake, trailer brake, and service brake. But safety start again. Make sure your brakes are applied. It's neutral. Slowly leave the clutch. Okay, sometime examiner say you wait and your pressure is built automatically. So that time I will start my cabin inspection. Okay, I will start my cabin inspection. Okay. ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਮੈਕਸਿਮਮ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਆਟੋਮੈਟਿਕ ਬਿਲਡ ਹੋਣ ਦਿਓ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਦਾ ਕੈਬਨ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰੋ ਸਮ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮੀਨਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰਨਾ ਬਸ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਰੈਡੀ ਆ ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਸੇਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਆ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਬਿਲਡ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਆ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਦੂ ਕੈਬਨ ਇੰਸਪੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਓਕੇ I will start my cabin inspection, sir. Okay, I will start from my belt. My brake belt, no cut, no fray, properly mounted with the vehicle. Okay, cabin and unbuckle easily. No crack, no blow. Okay, my seat properly mounted with the floor, no broken, no damage, and proper adjustable according to your body. Start from down, एक साइड तो लाके सारा हो जाएगा. Okay, start from floor. Okay, floor, no holes, free from oil and grease, and free from any rolling subject. Okay. Again, my shifter boot, shifter stick, shifter knob, no crack, no broke, and free from oil and grease, and always in good condition. Okay. And my gas pedal, brake pedal, and clutch, no crack, no broke, free from oil and grease, and nothing inside. Okay, they have a 3 triangle under the passenger seat. Okay, always present, proper red color, always no crack, no broke. In the case of emergency, we have put one 10 feet, second one 100 feet,
200.
and third one 200 feet. The back of trailer. If we are on two-way line, put 2 in back, 1 on front. Okay, and the back one is 10 feet and 100 feet, and the front one is 100 feet. Okay, we have over here fire exhaustor, no crack, no broke, always present, not missing, and pin are not missing, fully charged, and no expire. Okay, and after that come on steering, free from oil and grease, and free no more than 10 degree free spray,
Free play no more than 10
no more than 10 degree. Okay,
ਉਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ 10 ਡਿਗਰੀ ਹੈਗਾ
okay, and over here is my city horn in the down track. ਇਹਦੇ ਟਰੱਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਟੀ ਹੌਰਨ ਹੀ ਓਵਰ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਹੌਰਨ ਦਾ ਸਿਟੀ ਹੌਰਨ
ਇਹ
ਓਕੇ
ਸਿਟੀ ਹੋਰਨ ਹੈ ਨਾ
Yes, good working condition. This is highway horn. Okay, but I don't honk over here because this is a residence area. I show you on freeway.
freeway.
ਕਹਿ ਦੋ okay ਦੂਜੇ ਟਰੱਕ ਦੇ ਡਾਊਨ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਸਿਟੀ ਹੌਰਨ
ਇਹਦਾ ਵੀ
ਹਾਈਵੇ ਹੌਰਨ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਆ
ਉਹਨੇ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਟ੍ਰਿਪ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਵਜਾਇਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਉਹਨੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ
and this is city horn. You have to honk it. City horn. Okay. ਉਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੋਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰੋ ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਿਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਹ ਕਰਤਾ ਮਿਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੀਟ ਤੋਂ ਫਲੋਰ ਤੋਂ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਉੱਪਰ ਆਏ ਜੋ ਫਲੋਰ ਨਾਲ ਅਟੈਚ ਆ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਉਹ ਥੋੜਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਆ ਸਟੀਅਰਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਕਿਆ ਕੁਛ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਓਕੇ ਨਾਓ ਸਵਿਚ ਦਿਖਾਓ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਵਿਚਸ ਓਕੇ ਸਰ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਮਾਈ ਵਿੰਡੋ ਅਪ ਡਾਊਨ ਸਵਿਚ no crack no broke good working condition and my door handle free from oil and grease no crack no broke okay and this is my wipe right signal good working condition and my left signal good working condition okay my wiper switch good working condition and now the wiper no crack no broke blade always present rubber always present and good working condition and this is my washer switch windshield washer switch good working condition sir okay then this is my four-way flasher switch good working condition okay and this side this is my work light mean hook up light okay good working condition sir and this is my fog light good working condition sir this is my initial key switch free from oil and grease okay no crack no broke and fan switch good working condition sir heater cooler and heater switch good working condition sir and my defroster very important good working condition very important thing okay we are through this one off it and next one this is my trailer brake switch no crack no broke free from oil and grease always good working condition okay my engine starter switch no crack no damage free from oil and grease good working condition okay and dashboard okay free from oil and grease and no anything over here okay and this is my windshield no crack no broke proper mounted with a rubber seal
Rubber seal.
and no illegal sticker always clean okay my all mirror both side mirrors and blind spot mirror no crack no broke properly mounted with the door properly mounted with the vehicle
Four,
and proper adjustable to see the back all mirrors Okay.
ਸੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਆਫ ਵਹੀਕਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਬੈਕ ਆਫ ਵਹੀਕਲ
back of my side mirror see back back ਹੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਨਾ ਉਹ ਵੀ side ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ back ਹੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ okay sir and after that come to next my sun vision sir sun version no crack no broke properly mounted okay and my cabin switch ਇਹ ਵਾਲੀ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਬੋਲਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ no working oh but down one is working it's good working condition if you pressed on this don't skip it okay
ਇਹਦਾ ਮੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ
mention ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਆਏ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ ਕਰਨਾ okay and headliner no hanging too low properly mounted and back window not back windshield always back window always clean no illegal sticker proper mounted with a rubber seal always clean okay next I show you the all needles sir okay not important oh yeah sorry my headlights my headlight switch is no important my headlight switch in the middle one is the parking light and all the way up is the headlights okay and my high beam switch good working condition high beam on high beam off and headlights off ਓਕੇ ਸੋ
ਪੈਨ ਵਾਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ
ਯਾ ਹੁਣ ਹਰੀਸ਼ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਜਾ ਕੇ
हाँ नहीं कोई नहीं